All right, guys, I've been doing this for a few years with updating my profile. Yes, a little extra work. Does everyone read your profile or your comments or what color you like? No, of course not. But some do, and more do than talk about it. I used to have something in there funny about how I owned Rich's feral kitten colony in Tyler, Texas, and I have 13 cats. At least a few times a week I'd get someone going, bro, you really got 13 cats? So they do look at it, but here's how to use it. And this is, I'm speaking to Vegas drivers, but Orlando, any convention, touristy town, I try to welcome these folks in, and you got to stay on top of things. I mean, first thing I do is I go to Vegas Kickback, and I scroll down and go to the convention calendar, and then I can type in what conventions are going on. Like right now, I know G2E's here. That's a big gaming expo over at Sands, or Venetian Expo. And then we also have the car collectors auction at the main convention center. So that's what I do. I'll highlight this in my profile. Hey, also, by the way, guys, if you haven't gotten one yet, they still have free iPhone SEs available for this offer. So go to Vegas Kickback, make sure you have it downloaded, and make sure you have your notifications turned on in case you miss something, you're on a ride or in the shower. You can always check the latest announcements. Like, we got a Cookies here in Vegas. It's actually taking care of drivers. It's the only location that is for Cookies. It's at the old apothecary shop. The franchisee there got it. He's like, I got to keep this thing going. It brings drivers. It brings in folks. It gets them recommending me, and it's a top-notch brand too. We've all seen those, Cookies in the app going to, up by the stratosphere. Now there's a Cookies here that'll take care of you. I believe it was $20 for the opening weekend. It's $15 per drop now. But I was gonna say, you can get the free gaming tablet from Octopus if you haven't already. I make about 50 to 75 extra a month, driving 20 to 30 hours a week. So it fills the gas tank once or twice. But the free dash cam with our partner, Driver Dash Cam, click on that link, check it out. They're in beta testing. They want feedback from you guys. So it's a great way to get your voice heard on how to improve dash cam technology for the future. And to boot, it is 100% free. You can run it on any app or Android or Apple phone, or at least recent ones. And they did have iPhone SEs they were sending to drivers to try out and provide feedback. But here's what I do in my Uber app, and I'm going to start doing it again now that we have conferences coming back. Welcome these folks, man. Here's how you do it. So you click on the hamburger bar, you click on your rating. Yes, I know I suck. I'm 4.97 again. But yeah, I just put welcome global GTE or G2E and make them auction attendees, or make them. I don't know. I'll figure out how to pronounce it when they get in the car. But do some of these welcoming things and keep your car clean, man. It's so important. I'm at the car wash right now. I shot a video on it. I'll share it at a later date. That's the first thing they see when you pull up. The front of your car's all dirty. In some markets, you're gonna have to get your car washed more with rain, snow. Vegas, we are so lucky, especially if you have a black car. You just have to wipe it down occasionally. But you can change all these things. I try to have a little fun with the language section. Sorry if I offended someone on Facebook looking at this. I'm just trying to have a little fun. I mean, that's my credo when I get out here. I try to get some laughs going in my car and add some value to their stay in Vegas on things to do. That's how you make money. So yeah, guys, you can do the same thing for Lyft too. Just click on the hamburger bar and click on your picture, and then click on edit in the upper right. And I don't know, Lyft has some questions like, do you like sweet or salty snacks? Not sure what that has to do with anything. Maybe, maybe it'll get the conversation on food going. But yeah, they have a few more options in there. Yeah, that's weird. I don't think they ask you what language you speak though, like Uber does. So I mean, that opens a door, especially for a lot of those who can speak Spanish. That, man, such a great skill to have, being bilingual, especially in tourist markets. I've had to call my friends who speak Spanish when I get guys in the car. I'm like, hey man, tell them about scores or centerfolds. And then I got them on Bluetooth, and I see the guys going, oh, because they didn't know what I was trying to say. But yeah, man, that's a great skill to have too. But you can edit it, you know, if you want to. Again, guys, just test, man. Test it out. You know, it's a little extra work from your couch at night. Go into Vegas Kickback, click on the convention calendar schedule, find the big ones that are at, you know, Las Vegas Convention Center, or maybe at Sands Expo or Venetian Expo, the new Coliseum Forum Coliseum behind Link for Caesars, and also Mandalay Bay hosts some pretty sizable conferences as well. But try that out. You know, try to engage with these folks when they want to be engaged with. You know, if they're on the phone, turn the music down, shut up. But, you know, get these folks talking. I always, you know, hey, what's the expected head count this year? Everyone wants to talk about themselves, including me, I guess. But get these folks talking and, you know, engage, you know. Things have changed so dramatically over the last 18 months. I always tell them, yeah, we're seeing, you know, on average about 30 to 40% of the average attendees. Hopefully this will come back, because you guys are the lifeblood of Vegas, coming to conferences here and spending money and taking Ubers and Lyfts, keeping me employed.